Yes, everyone. Is this visible to all of you? If it is visible, just raise your hands. This shape is called a hollow cylinder. It's a hollow cylinder. It's like a hollow cylinder. You can see, we can watch through in between. This is, there are, we have to find the total surface area. Exercise 13.2, sum number third, total surface area of this pipe. This is a, it's work like a pipe. From here, from this area, the water can flow. So it's work like a pipe which has some thickness of this meter, this centimeters. This is the thickness. This is the inner diameter. This is the inner diameter till here, where I have put my finger, and this is the outer diameter till here. This is the outer diameter. Clear? And here is the complete model. This is the top surface area. This is called disk. As you can see, it's look like a disk. It is hollow from inside, and this area is covered only this is the area that I have shared a definition with you. That's a definition of surface area, the area which we can touch. So see, as you can see, I can touch this area only. I cannot touch this area. This is empty. So this area we have to find that I can touch. This is the inner curved surface area. This I can touch here. Inner curved surface area, whether you can touch from here and here. Just ignore this thickness. इस thickness को आप ignore करेंगे. I can touch here also, here also, here also. So this is the curved surface area. This is the curved surface area. This formula is 2 pi RH. This is the area of the disk. This we have to add. This is the area, outer curved surface area. This we can touch here. I can touch here, move around like inside also. Just ignore this thickness. And I can touch here also. I can touch here also. Here also I can touch. I cannot touch here. So as you can see, these two are same areas. These two disks. So when I observe from all the separators, so I got the 4 areas. First is inner curved surface area. Second is outer curved surface area. Then area of the disk. And then area of this disk. So these disks are same. These disks are same. So let us write the formula for finding the total surface area. Total surface area, that is, first is inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus 2 times area of disks. So these are the disks, this disk and this disk. So let's write the formula. Inner curved surface area 2 pi small rh. I have used the small radius like this, small radius like small r, plus 2 pi capital RH. I am using capital R for larger radius, plus 2 times area of disk. So area of disk we can find it like here. So this is the disk. We have to find this area that I am shading right now. I want to find this area. So let it be small r and let it be capital R. So this area has this thickness, the value of this thickness is capital R minus small r. So what would be the area? Capital R, the larger circle area, the larger area minus smaller area. So I will get this area. Just subtract the two areas having larger radius and smaller radius. The smaller radius area must be subtracted from here because this area cannot touch. This area I cannot touch. So I have to subtract this area, this smaller area. This smaller area I have to subtract it from the complete circle area. Clear? So you just need to put the values only. So here we can common it out like 2 pi h can be taken as a common. This is small r plus capital R plus 2 pi. Pi can also be taken as a common. R square minus small r square. So 2 pi h r plus capital R plus 2 pi. Here you can find the property a minus b, a plus b. So that is a square minus b square. So from both the two terms, I can common it out 2 pi capital R plus R. The calculation is up to you. Whatever the way do you want to like, you can do it in that way. So 2 pi R plus capital R can be common. So what is left here? That is H plus 2 pi capital R plus R common. What is left here? Capital R minus small r. Now put the values of all these. 2 pi into 22.7 into what is the value of capital R? So value of capital R is diameter is 4.4. So capital R is 2.2. That we have find earlier. Plus small r, the diameter of smaller radius is 4. So small radius is 2. What is the height of the cylinder? 77 centimeter. So this is the height. So height is same for inner or outer. 77 plus 2.2 minus 2. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into this is 4.2. I can write it like this 42.10 multiplied by this is 0.2. So 77.2. 7 6 are 42. This is 446 over 10 into 772 over 10. Clear? So after solving, you will get the answer. Just look at here.